Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to review my very first survival kit. This kit here was how I got started in survival. Before my bug out backpacks, before my pre-made backpacks, before my get home backpacks, before any of that. This is where I started. Simple little bag, a zipper pocket on one side, and little organizers on the other. But before this bag, even before the bag, one step back, I'll show you where I really started. Before I made this bag, this is what I would carry with me every day. This is a little big lighter that I added in there for fire, and also this dollar store matches. Here's some of the Q-tips that came along with the first aid kit. Add a little roll of cotton to start fires. The first aid kit also came with tweezers, a little knife. It came with tiny scissors, a couple of safety pins, some bandages, and then I added this first aid gauze. And this is what I got with the first aid kit from the dollar store. And I just added a couple things that I thought I needed. So that first aid kit was something I carried with me everywhere. And it was my very first thought of having something in case of an emergency. But then I started thinking, what else could I add? And then I added a mirror. Then I added this flashlight that I had laying around the house. This is a knife that one of my buddies from work gave me. And of course you have to have some paracord. Then I added this little flashlight, very tiny one. Then I added 4 Ziploc bags. And here we have a little sewing kit. And then I added this little compass. And then I have a Ozark Trail emergency poncho. So this is where it all started. This is the beginning of my journey into survival. And like I said, this was many, many years ago. Like always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the love. If you like these videos, don't forget to like and comment